Hi, I'm Dr. Brett Baker, and I'd like to provide you with some important tips on how to care for your temporary crown. Temporary crowns are an essential step to your treatment, and following these guidelines will help protect your tooth while you wait for your permanent crown. First, it's important to avoid sticky, chewy foods like gum, caramel, or taffy. These can dislodge the temporary crown. Also, be cautious with hard foods like nuts or raw vegetables, which can crack or damage it. When it comes to cleaning, continue brushing as usual, but be gentle around the temporary crown. For flossing, slide the floss out from the side instead of pulling it up and out. This will prevent accidentally dislodging the crown. If your temporary crown feels loose or comes off, don't worry. Contact our office right away, and we'll help you reattach it or replace it. In the meantime, you can use a small amount of over-the-counter dental adhesive or toothpaste to temporarily hold it in place. Remember, the temporary crown is just that. It's temporary. Avoid unnecessary pressure or grinding, and let us know if you experience any discomfort or sensitivity. We're here to answer any questions or concerns you might have, so don't hesitate to reach out. Thank you for trusting Huckabee Dental with your care, and we look forward to completing your beautiful, lasting smile soon.